Welcome back to my channel, you guys. In this video I am just going to be folding some clothes, so I thought that I would record it. Plus I was kind of testing something with my iPad because I've been having a lot of issues with recording and editing with Android, so I wanted to use iMovie and test something real quick, so I thought I would make this quick little video. I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a nice comment or a mean comment if that's what you desire. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're always notified when I upload a new video, and let's get glowing. I'm putting all of these clothes away, you're not going to see me very much, but you'll see me coming and going. I thought I would kind of reintroduce myself. So my name is Cassie. I live in Deltona, Florida with my husband and our 3-year-old daughter. We actually just moved here to Deltona probably about 2 months ago, almost 2 months ago, from South Florida, the Fort Lauderdale area. So yeah, we really love Deltona. We definitely do not miss South Florida. No hate if you are, you know, from South Florida. We lived there our whole lives, and we just really wanted to be close to all of the Orlando parks because we are pass holders. We do go quite often, and we really love it here. It's very, I like to call it a very quiet, sleepy town because nobody really leaves their house. Everyone minds their own business. It's very quiet in the area that we live in, and the stores aren't as crowded as, you know, they would be in South Florida. So yeah, that is what we got going on here. I am 36 years old. I am a stay-at-home mom and wife. I am actually currently trying to find something that I can do at home to help out with the bills, because, you know, moving into this house from a little 1,300 square foot apartment, you know, you have a lot of extra bills and it is very expensive. So if you guys have any tips or places that you think would be a good fit for me as far as working at home, you know, obviously something that is legit so that I can start making some extra money, that would be greatly appreciated. You could just send me a message. So yeah, I basically started doing YouTube videos in, I want to say May, if I'm not mistaken. It was like around May. And I actually got inspired by Squeaky Clean Life. I was watching her videos. I came across her cleaning videos. I had never watched a cleaning video before, and I was like, oh my god, this is actually so satisfying and like relaxing. Like, I'm loving this. And it was like so motivating. And the same day that I was watching her, I got up and I cleaned my whole entire apartment, because at the time we were living in the apartment. And yeah, so I got inspired initially by Squeaky Clean Life, and then I started watching all of these other channels, Crazy Cleaning Mama, Living with Cambria, and I was just like, oh my god, this is such an awesome community. And I decided to hop on board and kind of see what happens. Obviously, I have a very small channel. It is something that I would like to grow, but for now it's just kind of like a hobby. I'm having fun with it, and I hope you guys, you know, enjoy my channel. Please check out those other channels that I mentioned. I will try my best to remember to link them in the description, because they are some very amazing women, and they definitely have some of the best cleaning videos out there. There's quite a few that I watch, but those are like the top 3. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video, which would probably be next Tuesday, maybe possibly a video on the weekend. It's not lunchtime, Mia. You just ate breakfast. Mom life. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to glow today, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.